Hello dear students. Today we are here with the new notifications video of the article writing competition for the B Farm and PharmD students. Here, to get the chance to win the cash prizes up to rupees 100,000. Article writing competition held by the Staffingly in collaboration with the Indian Pharmaceutical Association Students Forum. Article writing contest, where you can pen down your knowledge and get a chance to win a cash prize and more. Deadline to submit entries is December 31st, 2022, 5 p.m. Please note that articles will be reviewed by top industry professionals, editors, and selected for cash prizes. If your article is accepted, we reserve the right to edit articles before publishing. A credit will be given to you by placing your name alongside the published article. Please ensure you insert your name inside the article with your submission. Here are the some rules and guidelines are provided here to participate in the article writing contest. 1. Your article must have a meaningful title with outline and key points. 2. The articles must be your original content. Each article will be checked for plagiarism. 3. Must be a minimum of 1500 to 2000 words. 4. Choose topic ideas from the list below. Your article should be written focusing on relevant keywords. Please read an article writing guide under this document. Topics for the article writing competition are as follows. 1. Healthcare outsourcing in 2023. 2. Benefits of healthcare outsourcing. 3. Outlook of healthcare BPO companies in India. 4. Outsourcing of staffing process for long-term care and assisted living industry. 5. Patient demographics entry process. 6. Prior authorization process. 7. Pharmacy billing process, and such many topics are given here. Please note that by submitting articles, you agree that you are providing original articles written by you and you are also providing irrevocable copyrights to Staffingly. Your articles, videos may be published on the internet, and in most cases, it may not be possible to unpublish the content. We will provide author credits for all articles. You can get amazing rewards as shown here. The registration link is given in the description box, so through it and register for the contest. So what are you waiting for? Register now and get awesome rewards. So good luck guys, and wish you all the best.